Pesky dandelions can be a hassle, but Jimmy Juergens of Bentley Ridge Tree Farm and Nursery knows just the thing when it comes to having greener grass. Jimmy?
Thank you, Megan. Yeah, we want to look at a couple different things involving grass seed today. First one is just a typical crabgrass preventer. This one here contains Dimension, which is one of my absolute favorite products when it comes to preventing crabgrass and helping with dandelions and control there. This also has some lawn food in it as well. One huge point with this though is if you're putting this type of pre-emergent on your yard, you can't do grass seed. And grass seed is definitely something a lot of people want to do in the spring, but it's not always a great idea. If you put down a pre-emergent, grass seed itself will not germinate. So you got to be very conscientious of that time frame. Usually about a 4 to 6 week window there between pre-emergent and putting grass seed down. There is kind of a third option here though too. Scotts does make this triple action product that does prevent crabgrass and dandelions from coming up. It also helps jumpstart your seed and fertilizes the old seed that may be there. So if you do want to put grass seed down in the spring, that's a great combo right there. Back to you, Megan.
Jimmy, to learn more, you can go to BentleyRidgeTreeFarm.com or call 515-444-9101. Bentley Ridge is located in Grimes. You can also check them out on social media.